It's not considered a sexually transmitted infection or STI, but because Zika can be contracted through sexual intercourse, it has been included to the Ministry of Health's STI Prevention Awareness Month campaign. Health Promotion Officer Judy Benoit says in addition to eliminating breeding sites and preventing bites from mosquitoes, people need to protect themselves during sexual intercourse.
And now we are understanding that it can remain in the sperm for up to 90 days, whereas they were saying at first 60 days or 62. Now they're saying 90 days. So whether it is 2 days, 60 days, 30 days or 90 days, we are asking people to be mindful of that and to do all that you can do to prevent the Zika.
The month of July has been designated STI Prevention Month under the theme STI'S, We Can Prevent Them, and replaces the ministry's usual pre-carnival campaign. Benoit says the campaign, which targets all Grenadians, especially young people, focuses on getting people to control their behavior, particularly during the carnival season.
Limitations, moderation, avoiding alcohol consumption and other drugs, especially in excesses, and especially to the young people who are not of the legal drinking age. And of course, avoiding sexual contact with people you do not know or unprotected sex in general, because we believe that if you're going out to enjoy carnival, and sex should not really be a part of enjoying carnival. It is something that requires greater commitment, you have to think in terms of your personality, your person, what it does to you, and the consequences that follow. And the worst time probably to think of having sex would be when you're in a hype with alcohol or with music and with all the revelry. Then you tend not to think and therefore get yourself involved in things that you would not otherwise do.
In the meantime, 6 new cases of HIV have been confirmed by the ministry so far this year. Benoit says the figures continue to increase despite education.
Well, unfortunately, after so many years with all this information and so on there about HIV, we are still seeing the figures climbing. And in fact, from the time we have started to now, we now have 600 cases of HIV. For this year so far, January to June, we have 6 new cases, 4 males and 2 females. And we continue to see more males and females.
Free condoms are available at health centers across the country, and people are encouraged to visit the National Infectious Disease Unit for free testing, counseling, and medication if test results are positive. Joseph McKee-Smith, GBN News.